Hello and good day, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Mental Math Techniques by Sir Marcy. For today's video, I'm going to share to you techniques in multiplying two or more digit number by a single digit number, and also multiplication trick using base 10. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest videos.
Okay, before we start, I want you to multiply these numbers mentally in 40 seconds. Timer starts now. You only have 20 seconds remaining. Alright, time's up. Let's now reveal the answer. For number 1, we have 63 times 3. The product is 189. For number 2, we have 304 times 5. The product is 1,520. For number 3, we have 1,233 times 3. The product is 3,699. For question number 4, we have 34 times 5. The product is 170. For question number 5, we have 2,313 times 4. The product is 9,252. For question number 6, we have 21,345 times 3. The product is 64,035. For number 7, we have 63 times 7. The product is 441. For number 8, we have 84 times 6. The product is 504. And for question number 9, we have 67 times 5. The product is 335. Okay, let's try to get the product of 63 times 3 using the normal multiplication. So that is using the right to left method. So if we're going to get the product, 3 multiplied to 3, that is 9, and 3 times 6, the answer is 18. Now, if we're going to get using the mental math techniques, we will use the left to right method. So if we're going to get the product again using mental math, okay, so 63 times 3. First, we multiply 6 by 3 and the answer is 18. Then, we have 3 times 3. The answer is 9. So, the product is 189 also. Now, let's move on with example number 2. So, we have here 304 times 5. Using the mental math or left to right technique, we will multiply 3 times 5. The answer is 15. 0 times 5, that is 0. Then 4 times 5, the answer is 20. But instead of writing 20, we will write 0 and then carry 2. Then we just add. So the answer now is 1,520. Okay, let's move on with question number 3. We have 1,233 times 3. So again, using left to right technique, we multiply from left going to the right. So 1 times 3, the answer is 3. 2 times 3, the answer is 6. 3 times 3, the answer is 9. And 3 times 3, the answer is 9. So the product of 1,233 times 3 is 3,699. Okay, let's have our next example. We have 34 multiplied to 5. So 34 times 5. So 3 times 5, the answer is 15. Then, if you notice, we have 4 times 5, that is 20. So, we will carry 2 and then we will place 0 here. Then, we add. Our answer now is 170. Okay? Next, we have 2,313 times 4. So again, using left to right strategy or technique, 4 times 2, the answer is 8. Then 3 multiplied to 4, the answer is 12. So I'm going to write 2 here and carry 1. Next is 1 times 4, that is 4. And 3 multiplied to 4, that is 12. So I'm going to write 2 here and carry 1. Then simplify our answer. Okay, so this is 9,252. Okay, so again, without using calculators, I want you to answer the following numbers in 40 seconds using the techniques that we just discussed a while ago. Okay, timer starts now. Alright, you only have 20 seconds remaining. Okay, 10 seconds remaining. And time's up. Okay, so let's now check your answers. Okay, for number 1, we have 223 times 3. The product is 669. For number 2, we have 123 times 2. The product is 246. For number 3, we have 305 times 5. The product is 1,525. For number 4, we have 432 times 4. The product is 1,728. Next, for number 5, we have 1,240 times 3. The product is 3,720. For number 6, 5,203 times 4. The product is 20,818. Then we have number 6, 30,412 times 4. The product is 121,648. For number 8, we have 621 times 7. The product is 4,347. And for the last number, we have 8,012 multiplied to 8. The product is 64,096. Okay, let's try another set of problem. This time, we're going to multiply numbers using base 10. So, I want you to answer this in 40 seconds without using calculators. Okay, timer starts now. Alright, you only have 20 seconds remaining. Ten seconds remaining. And time's up. Let's now reveal the answer. For number 1, we have 12 times 13. The product is 156. Number 2 question, we have 11 times 14. The product is 154. For question number 3, 13 times 15. The product is 195. Next, we have question number 4. 14 times 16. That is 224. Next, for 15 times 18. The product is 270. Question number 6. We have 13 times 13. The answer is 169. Next, number 7. We have 17 times 13. The product is 221. And for question number 8, 18 times 12. The product is 216. And for our last question, we have question number 9. 19 times 11. The product is 209. Okay, let's try to get the product of 12 times 13 using base 10. First, we write the given 12 times 13. So, what is the number in excess of 10 in 12? So, that is 2. And for 13, in excess of 10, that is 3. So, you can add 3 to 12 or you can add 2 to 13. Okay, for me, let's say we're going to add 12 and 3. So, 12 plus 3, the answer is 15. Next is to get the unit digit, you just simply multiply 2 times 3. And the answer is 156. Okay, if we're going to check this using long multiplication or vertical multiplication, that's 13 times 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 1 is 1. Then we add. So we have 1, 5, and 6. So do we have the same answer? Okay, that is correct, no? Using base 10. Let's try to have another example. Suppose we have 15 times 18. So 15 times 18. Again, in excess of 10, we have 5 here. And here, 18 in excess of 10, that's 8. So again, you can add 5 to 18 or 8 to 15. So let's say we're going to add 15 and 8. The answer is 23. Then 5 times 8, that is 40. So I will write here 0. Then add 4 here. Then the answer is 2. 4 plus 3, we have 7. And this is 0. So the product is 270. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today, and I hope you learned something new. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest videos. Goodbye!